Welcome back to another Google Search Console tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Search Console to your WordPress website. This is an essential step for monitoring your site's search performance, indexing status, and SEO health. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and click Add Property *. Enter your website's URL or choose the *domain ** property if you want to track your entire domain, including all subdomains. Click Continue ** to move to the verification step. Now you'll need to verify that you own the website. If you're using a WordPress SEO plugin like Yoast SEO, Rank Math, or All-in-One SEO, the easiest method is HTML tag verification. Copy the HTML meta tag provided by Google Search Console. Next, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Open your SEO plugin settings and find the ** Webmaster Tools * or Google Verification * section. Paste the verification code into the Google Search Console field and save your changes. Return to Google Search Console and click the * Verify * button. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a confirmation message that your website has been verified successfully. After verification, it's time to submit your XML sitemap. In your WordPress SEO plugin, locate your sitemap URL. It is usually something like *sitemap, XML ** or *sitemap index, XML*. Copy the sitemap URL, go back to Google Search Console, click ** sitemaps **, paste the sitemap URL, and click Submit *. Google will now begin crawling and indexing your website. It may take several hours or even a few days before you start seeing data in your Search Console reports. Once your website is connected, regularly check the ** performance **, pages **, core web vitals **, and links ** reports. These reports help you monitor your website's SEO, identify indexing problems,